I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet.
How expensive is the Bahamas? Let's review.
Don't leave me hanging. I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet.
Compared to other tropical destinations, transportation in the Bahamas is quite expensive. To get a relatively fair price, it is best to book in advance.
Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous.
Food is also expensive. A can of Coke costs $4 plus the current value-added tax rate. An 18-inch pizza costs $54, inclusive of tax and gratuity.
When I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
Definitely check out the local food market called Fish Fry. For those with sensitive tummies though, a note of caution.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach.
Island and water activity tours in the Bahamas are expensive. A jet ski rental is about $200 for 30 minutes.
Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking.
In addition to the already expensive resort fees and hotel gratuity fees, big chain establishments like Starbucks and Ben & Jerry's have higher prices.
Never thinking you would be my number one.
Resort activities within Paradise Island, Atlantis is expensive. A 30-minute snorkeling in the ruins of Atlantis cost about $250. It is man-made and only covers a section of the entire aquarium. Instead, try island hopping tours that include snorkeling activities. It will still be expensive.
Anyone, but I choose you.
To get the value of Paradise Island Atlantis, indulge yourself with the free amenities it offers. Here are some.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue.